Hey everybody, so we are down to the graphics card, the GPU. So this one's pretty simple, as far as I can tell. We're going to unscrew from here. Alright, get those off of there. And we should just be able to lift this feller. Oh, there is a latch. I forgot about the latch. Undo that latch there, then lift. So you take that guy out, put this much larger guy in the same slot. Hopefully I can maneuver. Hopefully it all fits. I haven't tested this, you know. You might need to adjust a little bit. Yeah, this isn't the same fit, so we're going to have to finagle it. You know, taking off the cover would help. So get that on there. Line up the slot, hopefully. We're just a little bit off there. I'm working on, there we go. It's set in there. Looks like we have that all set up. Now we're going to screw it back in. It's a little bit different than my previous card. My previous card was lower power, so it didn't have a power supply connector. So what I had to do, I didn't see a power supply connector going to my power supply, so I had to dig in the bottom of the tower to get that. I actually had to fish it out, and luckily there was one in there. So that's what was in there, are these two PCI cords, and this is just going to plug into here like so. These are all tight fits, so bear with me here. I'm not the steadiest hand, you know. Maybe I got it backwards. That's a good possibility. No, it feels right this way. So, get a better look at it here, and I think I was right. I think it's this way. That's why we had a problem. Now it's sat in there nicely. And we want to make sure that's locked in. Looks good to go. I think we're all set. So now we'll tuck these wires in, and that'll be it. We're going to